high school pa. Parang naghahanap talaga sila ng waiver. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am currently in an airport and I can't do my intro properly kasi nga nahihiya ako sa tao. So, buti na lang may mic. So, it's currently 11:51. Today is September 21 and our flight is I think around 1:30 pa, pero we're required to be there at 12:45 na. That's why we're here. And nasa gate naman na kami, which is 113. So, ayun. So, you can see that this vlog is a lot different from the others than I would post. So, it's not a study vlog, it's not a college diary. Kasi, I'm going to Singapore to watch the Singapore Grand Prix with my sister. I've been planning this for months. Like, ang tagal kong tinago, ang tagal kong itry itago, but there would be times na nadudulas talaga ako sa ibang mga friends ko. So going back, I'm with my sister and I'm her guardian kasi magbebente na po ako. So pwede na ako lumipad mag-isa. So my sister is not here. Nandun siya nag-charge ng phones namin. Parang may booth, so she's not here. But we're gonna watch together. So yeah. So going back to what I was saying, ang tagal ko na siyang pinaplano. I bought the tickets May pa. Yeah, May katapusan. Like May 26 or something. Around that time. And I was still debating whether should I go. Kasi nga, baka tumapat siya sa prelims week namin. And it did. Prelims week namin sa 23. And my flight is 23 ng hating gabi. Our arrival here is 5 a.m. ng Monday. So, ayun. Makikitaan nyo ako ng matinding time management for this trip. Because I actually bought my reviewer with me. And nasa iPad yung iba. So, magre-review tayo habang nasa Singapore, habang nanonood ng karera. Sige, go. Basta pag may gusto, may paraan. That's the update. Gusto ko lang kayo bigyan ng update kasi baka makita... Ayoko namang makita nyo na lang yung vlog na nasa ibang bansa na ako without any context. So, that's the update. I'll update you once we're boarding na. Kasi medyo saglit na lang. 11:55 na and 12:45 start ng boarding. So, we have 50 minutes to wait. So, yeah. May magpakita sa lento. Alam nyo ba, dulo kami ng pila. Muntik pa kami maiwan. Kung sinisip.
Tray tables are stowed and your seatbelts are secured.
Everybody's here! Yeah!
Steering wheel naman sa kabila. Nakulit mo yung steering wheel sa kabila.
Alam niyo ba yung car dito, yung drive seat nasa kabila?
No,
So, ang weird.
Excited din, napaka-dali. Alam mo na yung flight, tapos alas 8 na, doon na kayo.
Pero tama lang,
Oo.
Nagtatanong sila sa akin kasi ano daw, minor ako. Kailangan daw ng DSWD dito.
Oo.
Kung yung pupunta, dito kami titira sa akin.
Saka kinausap pa nga sila ni tita saka ni mami sa phone, over the phone.
Tapos pabalik-balik kami dun sa saan airline ka nag-work.
Akala namin,
Tinanong ko si Ate Mika.
hindi. Akala ko kasi, ang tinatanong, anong airline tayo sasakay? Kaya sabi ko Cebu Pacific.
Sinabi niya sa... Ayun, okay lang. Parang doon na nag-start.
Thank you. Oh, I miss Singapore. I love this. Alam mo yung tipong 6 o'clock na pero ang liwanag pa din.
Singapore so clean.
I love Singapore. We love Singapore. Still so light in here. Sobrang liwanag pa din. Are you gonna do an outfit change? Because I gonna do. Hi guys. Say hi.
Kasi may mga pasta, may mga
We're here sa
Kaya lang Sabado ngayon,
Singapore.
medyo mga babang pila.
Okay lang. Where are we?
那天买鸡汤买鸡贵的这个，
We're at Tampines, Singapore. So it's currently 6:20 na ng hapon and it's still so bright. And magkakain pa lang kami ng lunch. Nahihilo-hilo na ako. Oh, we're here.
Bye.
Why are you saying po? Si Meros hindi alam paano buksan yung pinto. Sa akin ba naman sumakay? So anyways, ang update kasi, hindi ako makapag-update ng maayos. Kakain lang talaga kami. Yun na yun, kakain kami, kakain. We're here at Metro. We've been here na, dati nung unang punta. Pero di ko natanda kung anong mga meron na food dito. Meros! Look at that! My God. Ang daming collectibles! I wanna buy one. Anyways.
Yung mga charger ninyo, yung dalawa lang.
Yeah. Like all of it.
Wala kayong dalang, hindi ko nagdala ng adapter.
I am you. Wait, there's more?
Ang daming pagkain ng sarap.
Hindi ko alam ano bibili. Did you pray?
Ay, pero pagdali mo yung ano pa dito.
Your hair.
Kasi magiging action natin. Pag nakita na tayo maglabas na, talagang sasakay tayo ng MRT.
Direct bag.
MRT, lalabas tayo sa lugar na yun. Kahapon nga lang, yung pa kahapon. Biyernes pa lang.
So, yun. Nag-slow down yung memory mo. Kumungga pa. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Why are you laughing? It's 8:50 na ng gabi and we're here in the apartment and we're both studying. Kasi pareho kaming exam week ang 23 to 28. 23 to 27. So, ang tapang naming pumunta dito. Tapos pala kaming tulog-tulog. Magpupuyat pa kami ngayon kasi syempre magre-review kami. Gagawa ng essay. Ang daming mga deadline. Huy! Ika-cut ko yun. Hindi pwede. Anyways, that's the update. I'm doing the last part of my essay. I already started it sa DASMA pa nung Friday. So, she's also doing her essay pala in her phone naman. May na-check off na siya sa... Can show them your to-do list. So that... High school pa. Parang college na din siya. Ayun, that's the update. We're gonna go back to studying. And it's 8:53 na. 9 PM yung quali. So, hindi ko alam kung gagawa ako ng essay o manonood ba ng quali, mag-e-edit ng vlog, magre-reply sa mga email. Diyos ko, yung mga brand deals na hindi ko nare-replyan, tapos yung mga deadline ko, so, mamatay na lang. Pero I'm grateful na, hindi, I'm grateful na I have this kind of stress. You know what I mean? Okay, bye. Mag-aaral na ako. Hi guys, it's the next morning. It's currently 1:46 na and we haven't eaten lunch. Pero kumain naman kami ng breakfast kaninang around 9. So, ayun. So right now we're waiting for Dad here sa baba ng apartment kasi nag-picture-picture kami kanina. And then, ayun, after namin kumain, babalik kasi kami sa Tampinas Mall kasi doon kami kakain. Aside from doon kami kakain, may gusto akong biling keychain doon. Tapos hindi ko binili kasi feeling ko nagsasayang na ako ng pera. So, bibilin ko siya today. So, ayun. And then after that, punta na kami sa racetrack. Actually, kinakabahan ako. Kasi feeling ko, sobrang init ngayon. As in, walang ulap. Puro sky lang. Tas, wala na. Walang clouds. Puro ano lang talaga, like, walang tagaharang sa araw. So, ayun. Pero, that's a good sign kasi ibig sabihin, malabong mag-rain, which is dangerous for the race. So, ayun. Hindi naman siya sobrang dangerous kasi may sariling, parang may specific tire for wets or kapag basa yung floor. So, anyways, yun lang yung update. Hindi ako makakapag-update masyado mamaya. Talagang film lang ako ng film as much as I can. Ayun. Also, my outfit. Naka-miniskirt and then, eto. And then, mag-change ako mamaya into, same lang din na shirt, pero color red naman. So, ayun. And then, look at my necklace. It's so cute. If nakikita nyo. So, yeah. Bye! Wait lang. Gabi, bye. I'm good. But like I feel like I'm gonna I feel like I'm gonna explode. Please sit down. Baka wala ka